Hello, in this video we'll see how to convert our speech to text in Windows. There are some features on Windows which you can use to convert your speech to text. Just in case if you are lazy to type, then maybe you can use text-to-speech programs on your Windows, which is available by default. So I'm running Windows 11. And this feature is also available in Windows 10, so you can find those in Windows 10 as well. So let's see. The first one I'm going to show you is Windows Speech Recognition app. You can just type speech and you should be able to see this Windows Speech Recognition app. Now before we use Windows Speech Recognition, it is recommended that we train our computer to recognize our speech better. Otherwise there will be a lot of errors, and instead of being helpful, it may be annoying. And I find that the accuracy of Windows Speech Recognition app is not that much. We'll see that now. So basically, if we use an app like this, we can read out, we can speak, and then the program will automatically type it for us. I mean, convert it into text. So if you are running any program where text can be typed, like a Notepad or Microsoft Word, or even web forms like this, I have a WordPress site open here, and so if you have a text box, you can type here as well. So we'll see that. Let me see the accuracy of Windows Speech Recognition here first. So I'll just click on here and it is listening. Okay, pretty accurate now. Microsoft Sam is the default text-to-speech male voice in Microsoft Windows 2000 and Windows XP. A grasshopper spent the summer hopping about in the sun and singing to his heart's content. One day, so as you can see, of course, my pronunciation and everything, my voice may not be, it's not standard, but it's still the accuracy is not very satisfactory. So what we can do is we can go and train this. Start speech tutorial or options. Set up my microphone. Improve voice recognition. So we can go here and we can train our computer to recognize our speech better. Now speaking computer. The computer is learning some of my voice SSD. So help computer recognize my say. Speech recognition and recognize means very accurate. Train the computer to provide an even better experience. But training the computer to provide an even better experience. There will be fewer mistakes when dictating. So likewise, you can train your computer to recognize your speech better. Now this is the default Windows Speech Recognition app. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you can also use Windows voice typing. For that, Windows Speech Recognition should be enabled in your settings. So now we'll use the Windows voice typing and see the results. You can access voice typing by pressing Windows key and H. You can see on the screen. And I found this to be very accurate. I mean, more accurate than Windows Speech Recognition tool that we just saw. I'm now pressing Windows key and H to open the voice typing, and now it's listening. Let me read the text on the screen and see how the results are. Microsoft Sam is the default text-to-speech male voice in Microsoft Windows 2000 and Windows XP. Full stop. So as you can see, the accuracy is much better here. It is used by narrator, comma, the screen reader built program to the operating system. Full stop. Microsoft Mike and Microsoft Mary are optional male and female voices respectively, comma, available for download from the Microsoft website. Full stop. We now see this on a text box in a web page. This is a WordPress website, and let's suppose I have to type whatever's on my screen here. So the focus should be on the text box where we want to type. So let me arrange that, and the focus is here. I'll press Windows Edge. Microsoft Sam is the default text-to-speech male voice in Microsoft Windows 2000 and Windows XP. Stop. Is used by narrator, comma, the screen reader program built into the operating system. Stop. Impressive. New line. Next line. Grasshopper spent the summer hopping about in the sun and singing to his heart's content. Full stop. One day, comma, an ant went hurrying by. What? Looking very hot and weary. There is also an option here for the punctuation, so let's see. Hey John, how are you today? Next line. I'm fine, thank you. Next line. I hope the accuracy will improve the more we use, and I think the computer will also try to catch our speech, tones and speed, and I hope the results will be better the more we use. So anyways, it's working pretty well. I find a lot of errors when I use this. Of course, I have maybe not trained much, and maybe I have not trained the computer much, but I find a lot of errors when I use this. But when I use this app, it's much more accurate. So yeah, these are some of the words which you can use to do certain things, like clear selection, unselect, delete the most recent diction result, delete that, strike that, okay. Violets are blue, delete that. Good. Open code. Open code. How are you? Question mark. Close code. Come on. Say